I've done. Hello everybody, welcome back to ZT Trains. So today we are at our brother's model railway and he's got some people in. This is, I'm only joking, this is actually Bekonscot model railway.
No, I know.
Please make sure to check it out. So this is actually pretty impressive. So there's a bridge here that goes across real water with fish in.
Yeah,
Like,
and
how
it's
amazing is
also
that?
got a model railway.
Now, my brother Thomas will also show you things.
Thomas,
Huh?
you coming?
Yeah.
We're doing a video. And then if you look over here, there is the control room in that kind of like summer house. And then look at all of this. This is absolutely massive. Now,
Sorry, but we have something else to show you now. We just keep on finding more. It's such a good place. And there goes a train. I think it's a... I don't really know which class it is or anything. Nice. Hello. See if we can find any more.
they never come in, Thomas?
No, but they are literally controlled, so they can like
Yeah.
stop at stations. I think they're like... yeah,
Even
so
some of the stations, one of them said this. Ladies and gentlemen, platform 1. Please, can you come now?
Cool. Okay, so you
Even
have...
one of the stations had a ski. But like there's real water here as well with like trains going across it on a bridge.
Look, there's some fish down there.
There's fish, real fish there.
So yeah,
I think there's a train coming now, just go and check.
Okay.
Oh no, it's on the other side.
Okay. So yeah, please
There's
expect.
a tornado, but it's on the other side.
Oh, okay. So yeah, expect us to come back again after saying
Class
goodbye.
A4
So this time I'm actually not gonna say bye because I'm pretty sure we're gonna, like, you know.
There's another one coming right. It's a tornado.
Yeah, I think that's a tornado they got there.
It is.
If it's not, correct us. Yeah, so I'm not going to say bye because, we're just going to say more and more. So I don't want to sound weird, just going to say goodbye and like, hello. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
so
everybody, there's a train coming right now.
there we go. Really nice. I think that's similar to Jonathan Douglas, I think. Oh, and there's another one.
And there's another one right here. That's going a bit slow.
Yeah, really big. Like, these are huge.
Come on, let's follow it.
So, yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I told you we didn't have to say goodbye. There we go, nice bridge. Now it looks great. Really, really good. Yeah, just gonna show you everything here. So there, nice house there. And bowling. That was pretty nice. And there's castle over there. That's really good. Really like that wet. Really nice. So this time we are going to say goodbye. Actually, no, we're not. We're not going to say goodbye because we're going to show the control room soon. If not, we'll show you something else because I don't know if we're going to get there because of COVID and you have to go certain ways. But see you in the control room.
Hello everybody, welcome back to ZT Trains. So today we are at our brother's model railway and he's got some people in. I'm only joking, this is actually Bekonscot's model railway. Please make sure to check it out. So this is actually pretty impressive. So there's a bridge here that goes across real water with fish in.
Yeah,
Right, how amazing is that?
Also got a model railway.
Now, my brother Thomas will also show you things.
Thomas,
Huh?
you coming?
We're doing a video. And then if you look over here, there is the control room in that kind of like summer house. And then look at all of this. This is absolutely massive. now, then you've got all the model villages here.
Yeah, there's even horse racing, there's football, there's a fairground.
Yeah,
There's mansions.
there's mansions like here.
And the Queens!
Or like this really nice one here we spotted.
Come on, guys! Stop!
And then we've got this thing that goes on fire. A house that goes on fire.
There's a fire station.
I think it's somewhere, it's got a smoke machine in it.
Coming?
And there should be a train coming on the bridge, I'll try and get now.
There's like a...
Right, you just gotta wait a
There's
sec.
an E2, there's 060. Look, they see that tram coming in. Can you film the
Right.
station back?
Yeah,
Come on.
right.
There's like a tram.
There's the train at the
Lots
station.
there. See that 060 E2 class? Okay, let's go down.
Wait, I need to watch it go. And now, look, the train's going across the bridge on the water. Like, how amazing is that? See this train? We're going to watch it go past now. Look at that. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was maybe short. And thank you. Bekonscot Railway Village by ZT Trains. So, here's the really nice cable car. Now, this looks amazing.
Yeah, it's going. Oh, it's actually above everything.
It's above all the water, you can tell that. Then, we've got like a docks here or something where boats have came in. And if you look down here, that's real water, by the way.
Really cool.
Then, there's a fun fair, there's a real Ferris wheel. There's a guy on a motorbike riding around. I don't know how the heck he's doing that. The wall of death. And we've got some swinging carts here. No, I don't want to go on that. I'm making me feel sick. And
Look at that tall clown! Thomas, look at the clown here.
and
Tallest clown in the world.
the tallest clown in the world. Gosh, you're just so annoying. And then, yeah, it's not moving at the moment, but I bet it would. And then we've got this thing. And there's a helter-skelter there. I don't know if you can quite see, but it's moving really fast. So, hope you enjoyed this ZT train little clip at Bekonscot. We'll be soon.
We need to know how to stand in full Pretty nice one. Any more coming? I'm just lean over a bit. Yeah, so this is like a super big model village. It's in Bekonscot. Really nice to come here if you ever had a, whoa, what was that? Had a chance. Yeah, really good. Boats everywhere you go. That's a nice one there. Yeah, so just make sure you come and check it out, and if you can't, then there's probably other places like it, but this is one of the best, I'd say. Probably my favourite model railways I've seen, so really good there. So, see you at the control room. Like I just said in like the last few little clips, but still, this time you really will see us at the control room. So, typical control room. There's lots of controls. So, bye guys. We've just spotted another train. I don't quite know which one it is. Quite far away from it. I'm just having to zoom in. Or like this far away from it. Oh, let me zoom out. Can't quite see, and you can't really get any close.
There's a train getting in.
Yeah, and there's a train coming in now. So I just wanted to say, this is the most amazing place. If you want to like look at all this, it's crazy.
It stopped at the stop.
Stop. Yeah, they control, so they like stop, and it's super cool. Yeah, so, yeah, I know I said goodbye, but now, this is time, just bye. This is super fun, yes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.